Kien strumentali biex ir-Renju Unit daħal f'dik li dak iż-żmien kienu jsejħula l-Komunità Ekonomika Ewropea tant li nnegozja biex ir-Renju Unit daħal fiha fil-bidu tas-sebgħinijiet. Issa qed iħoss weġa kbira hekk kif ir-Renju Unit qed iqatta l-karti minn mal-Unjoni Ewropea. Dan huwa Lord David Haney li waqt li konna Londra aċċetta li nintervistawh u qalilna kif din is-sitwazzjoni qed jipprova jħalli barra l-emozzjonijiet personali tiegħu.
Well, clearly there's a personal dimension to that, but I don't think it's sensible to allow personal feelings on matters of such fundamental importance to Britain as a whole to be predominant.
Lord Haney li anki serva bħala ambaxxatur u rappreżentant permanenti għall Komunità Ekonomika Ewropea u għall-Ġnus Magħquda saħaq fuq kemm intqal gideb fil-kampanja biex ir-Renju Unit iħalli l-Unjoni Ewropea.
There is no soft option for leaving the European Union. It's really, really damaging. And all the figures produced now and all the predictions of how this will affect Britain in the future are negative. They are all negative. In those circumstances, I think we really need to take a deep breath and ask ourselves whether we're on the right course.
Spjega kif din is-sitwazzjoni tista' tiġi solvuta b'referendum ieħor fejn il-poplu Brittaniku jingħata ċans jerġa' jaħsibha sew.
One way of doing that is, of course, to have another referendum. I think that would be perfectly legitimate if Parliament wills it to have. Parliament has to pass a law to have a referendum, as you know, in this country. But if Parliament did that, then I think that would be one way of achieving closure, of settling the matter.
Mistoqsi dwar x'furur iqum kemm il-darba jsir referendum ieħor huwa fakkar li dak li sar f'Ġunju ta' 3 snin ilu kien wieħed konsultattiv u issa jista' jsir wieħed mandatorju li ċertament jaqta' ras din il-kwistjoni li qed tifni lir-Renju Unit u lill-Unjoni Ewropea.
I think on this occasion it would make more sense to make it mandatory if the Parliament passes the law, which it has to if there's to be a referendum, then I think making it mandatory would help to answer the criticism that this is going to go on, this cycle of referendums will just go on and on and on.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.